Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make 2-ingredient chocolate truffles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of good quality chocolate, like a 70% dark chocolate, and 125 milliliters of heavy cream. Using a high-quality chocolate makes a significant difference in the final taste and texture of your truffles. Make sure your heavy cream contains at least 36% milk fat for the best results. Now, let's create the rich ganache base. Begin by finely chopping your 200 grams of chocolate. Smaller pieces melt more evenly. Next, gently heat 125 milliliters of heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer, but do not boil it. Pour the hot cream directly over the chopped chocolate and let it rest undisturbed for about 5 minutes. Then, stir the mixture slowly from the center outwards until it transforms into a smooth, glossy ganache. Once your ganache is ready, it's time to chill it. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the mixture for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to handle. The ganache should be scoopable but not sticky. Using a small spoon or a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop, portion out the chilled ganache. Then, gently roll each portion between your palms to form smooth, spherical truffles approximately 1 inch in diameter. This step is where the magic happens. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your delicious truffles. You can roll them in a variety of coatings like unsweetened cocoa powder, colorful sprinkles, or finely chopped nuts. Get creative with your favorite toppings. Store your finished 2-ingredient chocolate truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will remain fresh and delightful for up to 1 week. These simple, elegant treats are perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.